What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm doing a short ride and review today. I'm going to a place called CELLAR 36. It's essentially a little wine bar, tapas bar. It's got a $1 oyster deal, so we're gonna check that out. I'm meeting the cake dealer there. This place is super close. It's on Market Street, right underneath basically the Manhattan Bridge. I almost said Williamsburg Bridge. So it's like, you know, I don't know, I'm going real slow. It's gonna take me like 3 or 4 minutes to get there, but otherwise, super short. Haven't heard much about this place, just our friend told us about it. And we are always looking for good happy hour deals, dollar menu, $1 oyster menu deals. Big fans of that stuff. There's a bunch in the Lower East Side, so this is just adding to that great deal atmosphere that we have down here. And I did a little check on the maps. From what I could tell, it looks like there's good parking and outdoor seating right in front. So we'll see how that goes. Starting to get a little chilly. 50s, 60s, sort of regularly around that temperature range now. I like to wear this helmet and keep my face free for vlogging until it gets a little colder, maybe 40s. But yeah, you know, eventually I'll be throwing on the full face helmet and see how that goes. I got the other one where I pulled the chin off. That one's good. Still keeps me warm. Coming up underneath the Manhattan Bridge here, and it's gonna be the first left onto Market. Oh, sorry, the first right onto Market, not left. Got a little congestion here. Gotta watch the traffic. All right, here we go. Oh, it's right there. CELLAR 36. All right. See you on the inside. Cheers.
That's the bar, right? We determined that corner spot.
What's that? All right, so CELLAR 36. We kept it real simple. We just did like, you know, we did the $1 oysters, we did the white wine. The carafes are 20 bucks during happy hour. Great deal. And then a cheese plate. It turns out the owners are the same people behind 10 Bells. So 10 Bells, I've probably mentioned it on this channel a few times. 10 Bells is one of my favorite happy hour tapas wine bars in the area. They also do $1 oysters, so the menu and everything was pretty much the same kind of foods. Getting back on Madison here. I took a little detour after we left. I went out to the highway. Just wanted to get a little speed in. That guy's going backwards. That's weird. So yeah, I mean, same concept as 10 Bells, and that's why it's going to be a success, because they keep it simple, quality, very reasonably priced. They're going to always get people in there. So, you know, as usual, jump out to the website, johnnyprimesteaks.com. On there, you'll see the full write-up, the full review, all the pictures, all the details, everything. Tell your friends, tell your family, like and subscribe. Most important member of your family that you got to tell is your motherfucking grandma. Tell your fucking grandma.